Hello, I'm Gambit and welcome back to Ark Survival. Alright, here we go. I'm gonna fight Big Monkey. We got the T-Rex ready. I had to go back and grab the artifacts. I thought I was ready, but I had to go all the way back and then fly all the way here. Okay, let's see, we got, I think there's like 13 T-Rexes and then four, I think there's 4 pigs down there. Alright, let's land. Let's land and get this done with. And then I also got, what am I trying to think here? uh, oh, Therizinosaurus. There, that's what it was. I don't got a bunch of them yet, but I'm getting there, and then I still gotta collect the other artifacts for the dragons. The pigs are all supplied with meat, and hopefully, well, they should make it. We did pretty good on the spider. There. Let the countdown begin. Hopefully everybody's inside. Yeah. Okay, looks like it. Sure looks like it. Go fight the monkey. Wonder how many we got here anyways. Probably like 18 of us? 19? Oh, here we go. Wow. Alright. Oh my gosh. Hurry. Follow. Watch out for that. Watch out for the hole there, everybody. Oh, here he comes. Oh! Watch out! Oh no. Oh wait. Ah! No! What did he throw poop at me? Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, alright. That wasn't bad. Well, I suppose that was the easy level. Okay. Yeah, that was good. That was good. I must have a lot of whatchamacallits. Nobody fell down the hole or anything. Let's look at him. Yeah. Dang, the spider took a while. I suppose these are some good Rexes though. Okay, yeah, we're all bunched up. Let's see, I wonder. Oh, I got a hat. Oh, here we go. Oh my gosh. We're all piled up. Gosh darn it. Hold on, I gotta get back on her. Okay. Stop. No, doesn't work because they're still following her. Holy smokes, everybody's all bunched up here. Holy smokes, gotta rearrange you all again later. Okay, whoa, what did I, oh, I opened that up.
That I heard about way back when. Not a great first impression. Mei Yin and I weren't quite mates. But watching her creatures get slaughtered like that certainly wasn't pleasant. I'm not a fan of the prisoner lifestyle either. The leader introduced himself as Gaius Marcellus Nerva.
Oh, come
And
on.
he's not a complete buffhead, I'll give him
Nope.
that. He let me keep my personal effects, and our conversations have been civil so far. I get the feeling that'll change if I don't cooperate, though. Not that I have
Whoa.
much choice. They already took the keys.
Okay.
The only way I'm seeing this through is as a guest of the new Legion.
Okay. Well, good golly. Alrighty, there we go. Well, suppose I can just do this later. Look at all the eggs. Holy smokes. Okay. And then, we'll do one cave. One cave right now. I just gotta go get supplies. And then, shouldn't be that part of a cave, I don't think. I just need to get a gas mask. Alright, well, I'll do that, and then we'll go to the cave. Alright, sounds good. Alright, look at this. I just wasn't even far off the mountain. Whoa! Okay, watch out, watch out, watch out. Okay, I just wanted to see this. Ooh, that's a... Is that a red? Wow, look at that. Alright, here we are at the other cave. Made myself a nice little base over here. Okay, I don't think anything will... Maybe park right here. Whoa! Let's go. Oh! Excuse me. Whoa. Oh, that's him breathing. Okay, there could be dinos in this cave. Could not be, because I don't think there was none in the other one, on Carnivore Island. No. No dinos. But you never know, we never know. I just remember... No. This way. Run and grab. Come on. Aw. No long neck rifle yet. Oh, there was a dragonfly there. Oh yeah, that's what I forgot to... Wait. There. Just in case, I forgot I had the bug repellent. Oh yeah, look at them. Oh! What? Oh! Oh, level 300 something? Okay, I see. Is that a red one? I doubt there's anything good in it, though. Unlikely, like the other ones. Long neck. Oh. Alright. Let's move along, let's move along. What's this? Oh. Might as well grab it.
Today I witnessed an
Ooh.
unforgettable sight. The extremely rare Titanosaurus vacicastrum.
Titanosaurus.
Mountain. It is an absolutely enormous sauropod which has developed armored plates of bone protrusions all over its body. Between these plates and its unparalleled size, Titanosaurus is extremely difficult to put down.
Alright, let's grab this one. There we go. We're in, and we're out, right? Let's see. Yeah. I don't think there's any more, what you call it. Whoa. Oh, whoa. Let's see. Bam. Oh, he was spitting stuff. Gosh darn it. Alright. Let's keep going. Let's keep moving. Oops. Yeah, this dragon, I don't know. If anything. Dragon would probably be a little bit harder, you would think, right? Shoes. Another one. What's this?
Tapahara Imperator is a marvel to watch in the wild. It has
Tapahara.
astonishing agility compared to the island's other flyers, thanks in large part to the rudder-like fin that extends from its snout to the back of its skull. Initially, I thought the fin was simply composed of keratin, but closer inspection has led me to
That's the
believe
way
it
out
is
up there,
actually
right?
some kind of sensory organ. Not only does it decrease Tapahara's turning radius even at high speeds, but it apparently provides Tapahara with extra information to help it fly through the air with unparalleled grace. I've even seen the Tapahara hover and strafe side to side in the air without moving forward at all. It's quite remarkable.
Ouch! 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 Ouch!
Of razor-sharp talons to latch onto surfaces such as the
Ow.
trunks of tall trees, holding its position indefinitely. Warlike tribes
Gosh
appear
darn
to
it.
consider Tapahara the equivalent
No.
of a versatile rotor aircraft, capable of rapid positional changes.
Oh my gosh.
When domesticated, the Tapahara is typically outfitted
Jeez
with a unique
Louise.
triple rider saddle, enabling
Oh,
two
missed my
passengers
armor.
to
Oh.
wield handheld weaponry while the pilot takes the reins. When the
Oh.
Tapahara is latched onto a
Okay,
surface,
there.
both the passengers and pilot are able to make
Now I'm
full use
poisoned
of
a
their
little
weapons
bit.
together. Evidently, what this skittering creature lacks in distance, stamina, constitution,
Okay.
and weight carrying capacity, it makes up for in
What the heck?
maneuverability and
Oh.
combat versatility.
That snail is a 260. Oh. Oh, it just. Oh, okay. It just looped around. Just looped around. Okay. Should be out of here now. Oh! Jeez. No, 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 no. Oh my gosh. I thought it was a loop around here. Those dragonflies don't bug me, but those little ants do. Ah! Okay, let's just run. Oh yeah, this is... Who is that? Bam! 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 Alright. Huh. They weren't there before, but they were there waiting for me on the way out. Alright. Made it out. What was that, like 4 artifacts I had to get? Let's see. I updated my little map. Alright, so we got the immune, the cunning, strong, and the Skylord. Okay. Alright. And then I'm still working on the Therazinos. So, yeah. Oh, yeah. I was still... Well, I went back out and found some stronger ones, so they should produce pretty good offsprings. Some good warriors. Alright. Alright, well, we'll end this off here. Whoa. Pretty dark out, oh yeah. Cloudy and rainy out today in Ark. Alright, you have yourself a good one, and I will catch you in the next one. Later.